Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to recover Excel file password to unlock protected Excel data when you forgot the password. Open the Excel file and find it is protected with an open password. Forget the password to open it? Don't worry, Cocosenor Excel Password Tuner can help you. This Excel password recovery tool offers smart recovery methods to recover forgotten password from Microsoft Excel. You can download it from the official website and finish the installation. Now open the software and click the Open button to import the encrypted Excel file. OK, choose the recovery type. There are 4 password recovery types for you. Firstly, the normal recovery type is selected. To speed up the recovery process, you can customize the range and length. If possible, set the minimal and maximal length of password. Then click the Start button. Finally, the password is found. Hit the Copy button to copy the recovered password. You can open the Excel file and paste the password to open it. The mask recovery type can be used if you remember part of the password. Choose the mask option on the recovery type drop-down menu. Then set the mask for your password. After that, click the Start button. Now, the password is successfully recovered. As for the dictionary recovery type, you can choose it if you have kept a password dictionary file. Just click the Dictionary tab. Then click the button, select Dictionary and add your dictionary file. Click the Start button and the software will test and find the right password for your Excel file if it exists on the dictionary file. If you know nothing about the password, try the SMART method. In this way, the software will test all possible combinations until it finds the right one. So, it will take much more time. That's all. Thanks for watching.